simple basic fundamental rule of mathematics, rather algebra, that we have a polynomial here, px is equal to x minus 1 into x, and we have to find the zeros of this polynomial. Now, what are the zeros of the polynomial? Zero of the polynomial is the that term where px becomes a zero, means zero of polynomial is where px is equal to 0. So we need to find that 0. Now to find out the 0, we have to make px is equal to 0. So we have been given px is equal to x minus 1 into x. This is given. We need to find out the polynomial's 0. So to find out the 0, we have to make px is equal to 0. For getting zeros, px should be equal to 0. Therefore 0 is equal to x minus 1 into x. Px, we will put 0 in place of px. So 0 is equal to x minus 1 into x, or we can write it like this also, x minus 1 into x is equal to 0. Okay. Now you have two terms here, this one and this one. Actually it is a one term, but it is in multiplication form of two terms. Which two terms? The first term is x minus 1 and the other term is x. Both of them are in multiplication, which is equal to 0. Now when the product of two terms is equal to 0, we can say that either x minus 1 is equal to 0, means the first term is equal to 0, or the second term is equal to 0. Because when the product of two terms is equal to 0, either the first term is equal to 0 or the second term is equal to 0. Therefore we will get x is equal to 0. Here this is the solution, and now we have to simplify this further. X minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to plus 1. This minus 1 will change its side and will become plus 1. So the other solution we have got x is equal to 1. So the zeros of this polynomial are, zeros of the polynomial are x is equal to 0 and or x is equal to plus 1. Okay, these are the zeros of this polynomial. Okay, thank you.